Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to prevent everyone from sending messages in a Telegram group using the Telegram app on your PC with the latest update. This is perfect if you want to turn your group into an announcement channel or just keep things quiet for a while. Let's get started. First, launch the Telegram app on your PC and make sure you're logged in. Next, open the group where you want to restrict messaging. Once you're inside the group chat, click on the group name at the top to open the group's information panel. Now look for the three dots icon in the top right corner and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage Group. This will open the group management settings where you can control various permissions. Inside the management settings, find and click on Permissions. Here you'll see a list of options that define what group members are allowed to do. To prevent members from sending messages, simply find the Send Messages option and disable it by toggling it off. After disabling Send Messages, be sure to click Save or confirm the changes, so the new permission setting takes effect immediately. With this, all members except admins will lose the ability to send messages in the group. That's it. Now your Telegram group is set to read-only for members, which is great for keeping announcements clear and avoiding clutter from lots of messages. You can always re-enable sending messages anytime by reversing these steps. By following these straightforward steps, you take full control over your group's communication flow on Telegram PC. Enjoy managing an organized and quieter group whenever you need. Thanks for watching.